Gonna do the body part. Do the magic ring, single crochet 6, and then increase. Second round will be increase to every single crochet increase, so it will be 12 and goes on. This will be my magic ring. So you do one chain first, then you do 6 single crochet in that loop. Then you pull, and I'll put the marker there. Marker, I put thread. You all do want to put pins or anything else will do. Thread is easy. See, I put 2 in each chain there. 2 single crochet. This is the second round. Now I'm going to go for the third round. Here will be 1, and this one will be 2. Changing colors. This is the 4th take. Every time there's a motorbike going around making noise, honking. Sorry, I don't have a soundproof room. Single crochet there. Notice that I didn't cut off the white color thread there. Single there and single also here. And there too. One. And here too. There will be 2. 1 1 2 1 1 2. I changed my color. I keep pulling it so it will tighten up a bit. This is round 20, so I decrease on the first. So I take 2, look at it, and decrease. And next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then decrease, and I change color too. Pull the thread a bit so you'd be tightened on, and then you can't see much hole. This I just mix it up. I'm not counting where to put the brown color, this and that. I just putting it. Dogs colors are just like that, isn't it? So I don't count much because I'm not very good in counting, or just lazy counting. Found it putting the thread in front is better, and putting it in front, the white color, so I can still pull with my thumb. This is round 30. I change the colors. Put 1. I'm going to decrease there first. Will be single there, single, you see that it is a bit tight, so you can't see much the holes. If you tend to decrease, you can see the holes, so you put this tool to put the threads there, so it tightens up just have to pull it a bit so it'll tighten up a bit. Did you see my finger there? I'm wearing something iron. My friend made for me this. It's kind of a bit easy for me. I must get used to it first. She said she will make for me another beautiful one. This one is only temporary. This work 3 and the next one go reduce. Take and take, reduce. Take, not take, single crochet there, single, single, this one take and take, reduce, all out, go around the whole plate until the next marker. I always put my marker green color there. This, I try this to crocheting and showing you. The camera is on my head, forehead. It's kind of a bit hard. So, failed. Not going to use it. Waste of 10 ringgit of that camera holder. Maybe it'll be good for my sewing. I did one. Yes, I did one. And it was, I was having my headache. Yeah, I wear that, my head aches. So I sewed this and brushed it. I dare not brush it more, or it will tear. I sewed up ready. This is the pattern for the legs and the tail. More or less you know what to do with this. If you're still not very sure what I'm trying to explain, you can see my old videos or all that will show from the starting how to read this chart. The leg, you can use the same pattern for the behind legs, back legs and front leg. There's the tail. I made for him the scarf for him. I made the pants. Notice that the tail too is big covered there. Made buttons to it. Look like a Santa Claus helper. Trying to look like a Santa Claus or what.